One issue you might run into while building your Sentry turret is that this little shaft key falls out and you insert your stepper motor without having that key in place. So one quick thing you can do to check that the key is in place is you'll notice the upper assembly rotates very easily. You can see that as it rotates, the input side of the gearbox is moving. That's because the lower shaft is fixed in place while the upper part rotates. Now, insert your stepper motor. As you move the turret, it's much more difficult. If you were to short these wires, the amount of force required to rotate this would become equal to the stall torque of the motor, divided by the radius at which the force is applied.